There are groups that work specifically in particular disciplines, like LAMA, that is Latin American Management Association. There are environmental groups specifically for the Hispanic and minority communities, because we're finding, of course, that that's where most of our environmental hazards are located, just very proximate to our largest minority communities in the world. There are groups, as you already know, Midwest Voter Registration and Education, that move to get more people registered and involved in the political process. There are groups that work in particular topics like education, like social services, medical services, all of these different things, and all focused on the Latino or Hispanic community in the United States and getting more involvement, more empowerment, more participation. You have what it takes to get involved right away. We all do. And the more that we sit back and don't get involved, the more somebody else makes those decisions for us and about us. Well, I would encourage you to take that next step of leadership. You know now what your talents are to make that leap. To hook up in a way that you can make it real and set yourself a goal between this minute and the minute when you fall asleep tonight to figure out what your next step might be and when you'll take it. Thank you very much and good luck.
There's going to be a reception at the Sloth Center, the Women's Center right now. We have some refreshments there, and you can talk about some of our activities tonight and be able to talk with Anita on a more personal basis over at the Women's Center right now. I hope you join us.